Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Thanksgiving video, I'll be showing you how to draw a cooked turkey kaiju. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our roast turkey kaiju, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come down. Now I'm going to curve it up and back like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and up for the actual eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up and down for the eyebrow. Then right inside of here, I'm just going to put a little line for the pupil, and I'm going to color in most, leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to make the teeth. So I'm going to begin by making some lines that are just going to go down and up, down and up, down and then up. Then I'm going to bring this line down. And then this time we're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. And we'll do one more here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve it to here. Then I'm going to bring this line around to about here. In the mouth, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down, and then back up a little bit. Then I'm going to bring this back to here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up here, and then we'll make a second line for the other side of the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then I'm going to bring this back here. We'll curve a line down. I'll make another line that's just going to come down. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to make some little bumps on it for like the wing. Up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come out and down. We're going to make a couple bumps and then bring it back for that other wing. For the leg, I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to make a couple little zigzags, and I'm going to bring this back up here. I'm going to make this line come down, and then we're going to curve it around, and then curve it around for some toes. Then we're going to bring this back up. Same thing here, I'm going to curve this down. We're going to make a little zigzag, and then bring it back here. Make this line come down, and we're going to make a curve, and then a curve, and then we're going to bring this back. Make a little line right there. Now back here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then we're going to bring it back for like a tail. I'm going to make a little line here for part of the mouth. Then I'm going to make a couple little lines right by the eyes. I'm going to make a little dot here and here for the nose. And then I'm just going to put a few little spikes on it here, just to give it a little bit more detail for like our roast turkey kaiju. And then maybe a little line right here by the leg. And there you go, there is your drawing of a roast turkey kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.